How to get rid of the online scam that comes from the site Ivonch.click. Ivonch.click is a truly misleading and deceptive site that is the example of a typical online scam. It tries to mislead people and to make them really scared about the condition of their computer, in order to actually force them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. Pop-ups by Ivonch.click are absolutely faulty and you should not trust them. Such pop-ups may be the result of some adware on your computer. We recommend you to disregard all these deceptive pop-ups. We also recommend you to thoroughly research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then begin research your device with its help to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.